Hello everyone. One of the last pieces of the puzzle in this unit of work is Pythagoras in 3D, and that's where we look at a 3D shape and try and see if Pythagoras can help us to figure out lengths and widths, etc. In that shape. So in this question, we're asked to find the length of the diagonal that comes from this corner here down the bottom up to that corner up in the back right. Okay, so the length up there. Okay. Now we've got a fair bit of information about this. Sometimes you can be given a question where we don't actually know this 8.3. So what they might do is they might give us the value of this line here, and which other one? This line here. Okay, so with these two, with those two lines there, we could then work out that 8.3, and with that 8.3, we'll obviously already have 3.9. We'd be asked to find the diagonal. So they can get complex. It asks you to read into the question, ask yourself what you know about the question and what things might lead you to having the information for the rest of the question to answer the rest of the question. Okay, but for today, we'll just obviously focus on finding the length of that diagonal running from the bottom left up to the top right of that rectangular prism. Okay, so it's actually mathematically pretty similar if you're comfortable with the start of Pythag and finding a hypotenuse, because we're using the same equation and we're given both of the short sides. So we have 8.3 squared plus 3.9 squared, and that's all equal to c squared, which is the line that we're after. So first things first, we want to work out 8.3 and 3.9 squared. This comes to 68.89 plus 3.9 squared, which is 15.21. And for accuracy, you don't want to be rounding either of those. To start with, you want them as complete as you can get. Then we'll add 15.21 to 68.89. And that'll give us 84.1, which is equal to c squared. And hopefully we're familiar by now with the fact we need to square root both of those. That gets rid of our squared there. And the square root of 84.1 is equal to 9.17. Okay, now both of these measurements are in meters, so we would say that C is equal to 9.17 meters. And that's a quick look at finding the hypotenuse in a 3D Pythagoras problem. Okay, good luck, and I'll talk to you soon.